Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can outpaint on Leonardo AI. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to Leonardo AI. After that, sign into your account, and what you need to do next is click on Canvas Editor, which is here on the left hand side. Then you can see this image has been selected. This is your previous image. You can click on select and drag your image from here, and you can see on the left hand side there are some brushes and tools like dark mask, erase, sketch, text, upload image, delete canvas history, download artwork, undo. So you can see on the right hand side there is a canvas mode. Let's go ahead and click on change, which is over here, and you can see in paint/outpaint. Go ahead and select it, and you can see the outpaint option over here. If this is enabled or disabled, you can see this gray color. If it is gray, then it is disabled. If you make it turn blue, then you can see the outpaint will be enabled. Now you can see the image dimension over here. You can go ahead and select the dimension of your choice. So after you select it, you can see the move icon over here. You can move it according to your wish, and you can see the option here. You can enable it. Now you can write down whatever prompt you want. So you can go ahead and click on generate. Let's see what will be generated as we have turned the outpaint on the canvas mode. Wait for a while. This might take some process. You can see that there might be some differences. Go ahead and tap on accept, and there you go. You can see some of the artwork differences already. Some things are changed. It is brighter, and you can go back and you can see exit over here. Go to personal feed, and you can choose your other things as well. And you can see the option of original. You can see the remix option over here. You can tap on remix as well, and you can start remixing it, and you can change the output, and you can outpaint your artwork over here. So guys, this is how you can use the outpaint or inpaint option on Leonardo AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.